Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the AULA F108 PRO wireless mechanical keyboard, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This full-size keyboard offers a unique blend of functionality and style, making it a standout choice for gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. The AULA F108 PRO is packed with features that elevate the typing and gaming experience. One of its most eye-catching elements is the built-in intelligent TFT color display screen. This smart display serves as an interactive interface, allowing users to customize GIF images, monitor battery status, adjust volume, and even keep track of date and time. The multifunction knob complements the screen perfectly, enabling quick adjustments without interrupting your workflow or gaming session. To set up the screen and customize its content, a Windows-based software is required, and the keyboard needs to be connected via USB-C in wired mode. Also, there's a transparent protective film on the screen that can be peeled off for better clarity. Connectivity is another strong suit of the F108 PRO. It supports tri-mode connection, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, allowing seamless switching between up to 5 devices. This flexibility is perfect for users who juggle multiple platforms such as PC, Mac, tablets, and even mobile devices. The 2.4 GHz and wired modes offer a high polling rate of 1000 Hz, ensuring responsive and stable performance, crucial for competitive gaming. Compatibility spans across Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android systems, although Linux users might experience some limitations with the F-zone keys due to driver issues. The keyboard is equipped with pre-lubed mechanical switches that provide a smooth, tactile typing experience right out of the box. The side-printed PBT keycaps enhance durability and offer a subtle, elegant look while preventing key legends from fading over time. RGB backlighting adds a customizable visual flair with various lighting modes that can be tailored to your preferences. Moreover, the keyboard is hot swappable, allowing users to easily replace switches without soldering, which is a fantastic feature for those who like to experiment or upgrade their typing feel. Battery life is impressive, thanks to the built-in 8,000 mAh battery, providing extended usage without frequent recharging. This makes it ideal for wireless use during long gaming sessions or workdays. Pros: innovative TFT color display with customizable content, multifunction knob for quick adjustments, tri-mode connectivity with support for 5 devices, pre-lubed mechanical switches for smooth typing, durable side-printed PBT keycaps, hot swappable switch design, long-lasting 8,000 mAh battery, wide system compatibility. Cons: screen customization requires Windows software and wired connection. Some Linux users may face limited functionality on certain keys. Slight learning curve to fully utilize the display and knob features. Overall, the AULA F108 PRO is a feature-rich wireless mechanical keyboard that caters well to gamers and multitaskers looking for versatility and customization. Its combination of smart display, multi-device connectivity, and premium build quality makes it a compelling option in its price range. Remember, the link to purchase the AULA F108 PRO at a discounted rate is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out if you're interested in upgrading your keyboard setup.